All right, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to the Jim of All Trades channel. Glad you made it by. It's Jim here on Sunday Night Charts. It is Sunday Night Charts. We've had a nice weekend off, and now we're saying, okay, what's going on? What's going on with the market? What's it doing? What's happening? What's happening with you guys? Hope you're well. Good to see you. Just remember who I am, guys. I'm just an Elliott Wave trader, trading the Forex, trading crypto market. But I'm not here to give you financial advice. Just here to share my ideas from an Elliott Wave perspective, analyzing the market from wave structure perspective. It's a big need in a lot of your lives. But with that said, guys, let's jump in. I guess you'd like to see me maybe. Let's activate my picture here in 3, 2, 1. Activate. Boom. There I am in all of my glory. What's up? Hope you guys are well. All right. Hey, what's up there, Crypto Fever? Jay, my long-lost friend. How are you, sir? I hope you're doing well. How's your health these days? Let me know. Mr. Salvador Adeza. What's up, buddy? Be glad to check that for you. Not a problem. Daniel L. Hey, buddy. Long-time viewer. Hope you're well. Thanks for being around all the time. Evo. Hey, buddy. Welcome. S. Joe Coco. Coco. I love that name, man. I don't even know how to say it, but I like the way I say it. We're going to call you Coco Joe. Put that kettle on. I got the coffee myself. That's what I had to make, so that's why we were a little late. But good to see you. Mido. Hey, what's up? Mr. Zigzag and Mr. Lee Burger. What's up? More downside to come? I think probably, yes. I think it's high likelihood. What's up, Kemosabi? Poop back to you, man. All right, man. All right, guys. Well, let's jump in. Thank you, sir, for being here, Mr. Chemo. Hope you're well. As always, guys, let's jump in. Hope you're doing well. Yeah, I already said that like 5 times. What's up, Jen? Jenny. You're going to call you Jenny. Mr. Jen Gonzalez. All right, 25 of you here. Let's see 25 likes. That'd be so cool. All right, let's look at hey, Clay. Good to see you, man. All right, let's see what's going on with Bitcoin, guys. I'm going to stop with the cordialities and get right to the analysis. This could be really bad for Bitcoin, guys. It really could. Let me show you what I'm seeing in the chart. That could be really bad. But it also could be really good. So what I'm gonna do is paint the bullish good scenario for you, what to expect if it's good, and I'm gonna paint the bad scenario, what to expect if it's bad. I don't know which, because right now the count is hanging, the wave structure is hanging in the balance, but it's a potential to be really bad, really bad. In other words, my expanded flat might be coming to fruition. Okay, so the big downside movement could be really on its way. Okay, let's jump in. Let me show you what I'm seeing, guys. This is I'm on Bitcoin right now. This is the daily chart. This is a tale of 2 counts. Okay, it's pretty much a tale of 2 counts. There is a bullish count and there's a bearish count. And let me show you the wave structure that if it's bullish, let me show you what we hope to see. Okay? In other words, if it's really good for Bitcoin, this is what we hope to see. We want to see this wave, this current wave finish. One more hit to the low, probably. Okay? And that's going to end up turning out to be a 3-wave correction. That finishes, maybe just taking out liquidity here, and then we want to see a rejection and continuation for more upside. We want to see it go up sharply to the upside like that. Okay, that's what we want to see if it is bullish. Okay. Sorry, I just want to get XRP on the screen. All right. So in other words, the wave structure we're looking at is just a three-way pullback. Okay, and it's going to be very similar. See this one right here? See that wave structure right there? See that guy? That's what we're looking at. We're looking at a wave structure like that. And that's what if you're bullish, that's what you're hoping. That's what you're looking at. That's what you're thinking. You're thinking, this is just a three-wave correction. We got ABC here, and then we need to finish it out, and then we need to start moving, start going bullish back to the upside. And this is when, guys, this is when moon, okay? This is when we start going fast and furious, and we get up to 90K, 100K potentially, okay? This is when we go. So this could be really good for Bitcoin. All right, this could be really bullish. All right, now it also could be very bearish. Okay, so in other words, there's a possible count that says, hey, we finished something here. We are now on the verge of a very big move to the downside. There is no support, no price support at all beyond right about, I would say, price support dies if we give up 58K, 59K. If we give up that range, okay, if we give up 58 to 59K, price is going to plummet, and it's going to plummet down to 49K first. That's going to be the first line of defense, okay? So if we give up 59, more than likely 49 is the next area of interest, but not for much support. There's not a lot of support there, okay? The real support, the real price support is sitting right around 37K. That 37, guys, well, let's say 38. Okay, let me give you a range. 37 to 39, I would say, is the real support. That's where price will find a largish bounce, okay? So if we lose this area, price is going to come down, and it's going to come down relatively quickly, okay? And we're coming down pretty fast, down to 40K range. Okay? So that's the really bad scenario. That's the bearish scenario. The bullish scenario is we just take this, we wick through 59. We kind of come down, we wick through 59, and then we reject out of that area. We find support. It's just a wick. Maybe down to 58 or something like that. And we find support, and the buyers come in, and they come in hard, and they start taking price up. And they take it up to 90 to 100K. So there it is. Those are the two scenarios. Now, what is the wave structure that is supporting both of those moves? Okay? What's the wave structure that would support the upside move? Well, let's look at the upside bullish side first. Bullish side says, hey, listen, here we go. Here's bullish side. We got an A wave right here. We got this nice B wave right there. Okay? There's a B wave. Now we're looking for C. Now, I'll talk to you about an alternate scenario as well, more complex wave count, but nevertheless, this is kind of the simple look at it, where you got 1, 2, this is wave 3, we got a wave 4, looking for a wave 5 potentially. That's a potential way to understand this current price action. And what that does is that lets us wick down here to 60K, 59K range, okay? finish a C wave out. But we really want to find support here around 60K, 59K. In other words, if we just wick, we just want to wick it. And we want to see price just rebound relatively quickly and go. Now, if price wants to get a little bit more bearish, and they want to come down a little harder, they can. They could come down to 51, 52. Okay? And it'd still be bullish. It would just be a big old shakeout. A big old shakeout. It means price would kind of go down there fast and furious, and the buyers would come in hard and take price pretty fast to the upside. It should be a pretty quick movement down and back. 50, 51, maybe as low as 50, 49, maybe. Okay, so there's your bullish scenario. Maybe we wick 49, 50, 59, shoot. I mean, it could wick all the way down to 51. I mean, it could come down here, but that would be an ABC. Okay? But we'd want to see it find support, price support, and then go on up. Okay? And we'd be modeling basically this wave right here. Or this wave right here. Where you just get a three-way pullback. Okay, let's look at the wave structure. There it is. Now another count could be a WXY instead of an ABC, in which case you got some kind of a weird W, there's your X, and now we get a Y wave. And your Y wave could be finished or finishing. It could be something like this, where you have A, B, and now we're getting C. It looked very similar to what we already talked about. Look and see if that top got taken out. No, it did not get taken out. So we'd be looking at 1, 2, maybe 3 down to here, 4, and 5. Now, is there any chance that that Bitcoin already finished this correction and it's done? I don't think so. Just looking on the 30-minute, looking on the 15-minute, there's all kinds of hidden bearish divergence on that chart. There's hidden bear on that guy. And you have a what looks to be a WXY, potentially. It's kind of an ugly wave here. Got a WXY. Kind of really ugly. There is a really bullish count here, though. There's a bullish count there. Small time frame, you could have a series of 1-2s. I imagine this could be a 1-2, 1-2, 1-2, and this is going to the upside. I imagine that's possible. I don't like this wave shape. It's ugly. Could that be a triangle? Is that possible? Yeah, you know, guys, that could be a triangle. I'm not a big fan. Not a big fan of a triangle here, but A, B, C, D, E. I suppose that's possible. In which case you got A, there's B, looking for C now. C might not be finished. Now, one thing about it, we have broken some local structure here to the upside. So there might be some bullishness coming here. Okay, I'm ignoring the chat. I'm sorry, guys. We're just working through this, doing my process here. All right. Anyway, this wave structure is looking corrective. It's looking three-wave-ish. Okay, so it's kind of looking like this. And I still think we have some more down to go. How this exactly plays, I'm not sure. But it looks like we have a very strong potential of coming down more. Just kind of looking at XRP for a minute. Okay, so BTC, that's your bullish scenario, guys. This is a correction. We're going to find support. Either we've already found it and we're heading up, or we need to come down and hit the low one more time and then go. That's what I kind of think. We need to hit the low again. I kind of think that. But let's see what happens. All right. Now here's the bearish scenario. Okay, here's the bearish scenario. Now this could be really bad here, guys. Very bad for Bitcoin. And I mean bad because, not because I'm scared of it going down. I'm just like, I think there are a lot of bulls out there. I think this is a bull market. We're going to 100K from here. And the whole sentiment is, here we're going up, 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 up. Okay? And we could be. I just gave you that scenario. That's what you're looking to see. You need to find support at this wave. This wave needs to find some support. Okay? But we'll have to see how that plays out. Now, what else could it be? We have a potential WXY on our chart here, guys. Okay, it's a double correction where you got double W. There's your X. Okay, and now this is a Y wave. That means WXY is a 333. You got A, B, C. There's your flat. There's some kind of three wave there. Okay, and now you got A. You got a flat B right here, and a C, and it's done. That is a finished correction. You got boom, boom, boom. It's finished. They went up bullishly in this, with the zigzag here at the end, okay? And they took the top out, and they did it in three waves. So you got A, B, C. You got WXY, 3, 3, and now we're going 5. 1, 2, and now we got the first one. We could get a pullback, 2, 1, 2, and then boom, okay? And we go down hard. We go down fast, we go down hard, okay? And that means between now and the end of the year, we start going down. And we're going to go and take this low out. Okay, we're going to take that low out with a high probability. $8,000 to $12,000 is a decent target zone. A low target zone, a less probability is about 4,000. But what the wave structure would be is that this would be an expanded flat, large time frame correction, where this is the third wave of the larger correction from 69K. That 69, the 69K top was corrected by an expanded flat, where we go down and we take out this level, shake out everybody, and then we go to the moon after that. That's when we start going to the moon. Later. We go to the moon, we go to 100K, we go to maybe 200K. It's just going to be later. Later, down the road. Okay? 5 years from now. Okay, so those are the two ideas, guys. Those are my main two ideas. So that's what's going on. That's where we are. It's very simple, right? It's very simple. Either this is a three-wave correction, we're waiting for it to finish. Okay? Either that's what's going on. Waiting on this thing to finish. And then go up. And this is when we start pumping this year, this time, up to 100K. We're ready to rock, ready to roll. Or we have begun a 1-2 to the downside. Where we got an impulse wave, 1. And we got a nice complex wave, 2. And now we're coming down. Down's the direction. All right. So that's where we are. What do you think? Let's take a poll in the group. We going to the moon or are we going down? What's up, Seth? Good to see you, buddy. Hope you're well. Cheers to you as well. What do you guys think? Up or down, guys? What's your sentiment? What's your what do you think? Hey, Crypto Galaxy, yeah, that larger flat that we're looking at, it might not take the low out. Is this a running flat? I don't have 5 waves. I don't have 5 waves here. Up, 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 no pullbacks. All right, Chemo thinks up. The high taken out. Very possible. Let me show you Ethereum here, which Ethereum's interesting, okay? Looking on the daily chart, look at Ethereum just for a minute. Now look at the top here. Let me let's do it this way. All right, this is the current wave action there on the daily. This is the top. Check it out. Check it out. What do you notice? Very similar price action here, where we got this move here, then we had this move, and then that it was a flat 3. We could be going up here, taking the high, and then going down again. So watch out for that move. That's a decent move that I don't think, and that's the other move I was thinking about as well. That we could be in the middle of a larger correction. Okay, I still need a 5th wave, so watch out for this. Boom, I hit to the low. Boom, I hit to the high. Okay, and then a deeper move down. Okay, and what that would be is that would be a 3, and then this would be 3. Boom, 5. Flat to the upside, boom, and then we could reverse at that point as well. So watch out for that scenario as well. You got 3 here, 3 here. We really need 5 here. I really want to see 5 waves here. That would be ideal for me. My only problem with that, guys, is it just looks too obvious, like it needs to go down and hit that low one more time. It looks, I mean, it just gives that look like, hey, I need to go down and hit that one more time. But I'll be honest with you guys, this wave structure on a small time frame is, I don't know, it's weird looking. I'd like to see it come on down. I think it needs to, but it's just weird. It's weird. It's a weird shape. Unless, again, like I said, that is a triangle in here. If that is a triangle, then that works. A, B, C. Probably going to go hit the high and then come on down. So Ethereum gives the sense that, you know, it wants to. I really think Ethereum needs to come down too one more time. Boom, boom, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that's a correction. Let's come on down again. But then watch out for this. Boom. 3, 3, 5. Boom. Take out the liquidity. Go down. Same thing on Bitcoin. 3, 3. I need 5. So it'd be ideal for one more hit to the low, but it looks too obvious. 3, 3, 5. Hit the liquidity, go down. So that's a market maker special right there. On the daily chart, if we get a running flat here, we got 3. We could get 5 here. In which case, this liquidity line, let's see. See if it holds. Trend line, I should say. Sorry. 10,000 maybe. Or if it's a running flat, let's pull the fibs on that guy. $38K to $22K for a running flat. And then moon. That could be a running flat. More bearish. 10K to 8K range. And we just pull this down. About 2027, 2028 maybe, 2030 we start going moon after we kind of consolidate here, get a couple of 1-2s. Yeah, I think Chemo. I think there's a crypto winter coming, man. I think there's a bunch of coins that need to die off. There's a bunch of stuff that needs to die off, and I think we need to. Jim of all FUDs? No, not really. I'm just talking about a potential scenario, man. So I told you this could be really bullish. I started out with a bullish count. Yeah, down to 50, then to 80. That would be fine. That would be just fine. Yeah, it'd be nice to come down and hit that support area. Let's see if we get that move. All right, guys. We've looked at Ethereum. We've already looked at Bitcoin. Let's look at XRP for a bit, kind of on the macro, and see what XRP is doing. Just kind of looking on the small time frame for a minute, see what this is doing here. What is that wave shape? All right, let's go to the 3-day on XRP. Let me get on a different. What's interesting about XRP is that I'm looking for a better chart. What chart has more information about XRP? There it is. Yeah, Binance USD. There it is. Okay. So what's interesting here is that we have had, we've broken down. We've broken the structure to the downside. This move broke down. So until we close back above that trend line, it's a little bearish, man. If you'll notice, this uptrend right here is kind of up. Kind of broke down, broke back up, but this is a powerful break. And if I count that the same way, broke down, broke up, finished, broke down, broke back up, back in, may consolidate here for a little bit and continue down. What's the wave structure here? How do we count this? How do we count it? I mean, I don't know how to count it exactly, but we got a 3-wave shape. Now, what's this? Boom. 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 Having a hard time counting that, guys. XRP is always hard to count. What's interesting about this, this could be part of a 3-wave move. Boom. That could be truncated. Boom. Three, 3. I need 5 here. So that could be W, X, and then Y. $36 is a nice number. $0.36 is not a bad number if you're bullish. Let's come down. Let's finish the wave. Let's find support at 36 and then go up. That's the bullish scenario for XRP. There's also hidden, well, there was some hidden bull on the chart. It's not there anymore. Look on the small time frame here. All right, let's take a peek at ADA because I'm not seeing a lot in XRP. ADA, as we peruse the crypto market. Now, ADA looks finished to me. It looks pretty done. It looks like a flat. We got a 3-wave to the upside, 3 down, took the low, and now we got a 5-wave move. Boom, done. If that's the case, that's not good for ADA. If that's the count. That means ADA is coming down impulsively and it's going to break its last low. It's going to break 19 cents. It's going to break 20 cents. That means this is going to roll over and keep rocking. You're going to get pullbacks and it's going to keep rocking. What's BTC doing right now? Small time frame. What is that shape? It's got hidden bull in the 5-minute. All right, back to ADA. Like I said, ADA looks finished. We've broken structure to the downside here, guys. It just doesn't look good. It doesn't look good at all. Could it have a pullback? Could we get a three-way pullback over the next couple of days? Yeah, we could. Could this pull back, come back up here? Yeah. It could pull back. It could make a. It could be in a corrective wave of some kind, but at the end of the day, though, the ultimate wave structure here, ADA doesn't look good at all. Now, if I'm wrong about this wave count, then what we have is a 1-2 in our hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then this could be an ABC, right? Nah, it's not a very good ABC. We don't even have a three-way move yet. But let's just pretend this is three ways. Boom, boom, boom. Has it hit 618 yet? Yes. It just came down to the 618 retrace. Chances are we get a bounce here. Chances are we get a bounce. So the bullish scenario for ADA is my flat was incorrect. It's really just a 1-2. This is a wave 1. That's a wave 2. We're getting ready to go to the moon. Okay. This is three waves. Or this is going to correct again and give us another three wave down. And it's going to be more complex. So I've given you a bullish look. I've given you a bearish look on ADA. All right, let me take some requests here, guys. You guys put the requests in what you want me to look at here. Let's look at Tesla, S&P, NASDAQ, and then I'll take the request and call it a night. Tesla is just looking like more downsides coming. We got a three-wave pullback. I got a WXY here. We got a three-wave pullback. Question is, what is this wave? This kind of looks like a fractal, a smaller fractal of this wave. So I'm kind of thinking, okay, maybe this comes up and then this rolls over and comes down again. Okay, it could come down deeper. This could go up more complex and then come down. But it looks corrective and it doesn't look finished. Meaning over the next months and years, couple of years, we're going to see low. We're not going to see higher highs. More than likely, we're going to see lower lows. More than likely for Tesla. In other words, it's in the middle of a correction, and the correction isn't done. This is a three wave. That could be a B wave for you, and this could be A. And then C. This is B, C. And that's a W, ABC or WXY. Good night, honey. Love you. Okay, so that's Tesla. Let's look at the NASDAQ and the S&P. S&P, guys, had a bit of a dip on the 3-day chart. We have broken structure on the S&P. It's broken on the 3-day. It's broken on the RSI. It's broken on the 3-day. Looking down. Okay, let's look at the daily chart. We've broken structure on our way down. Probably going to get a correction. Probably going to have dumpy day tomorrow. We could possibly get. I could see a scenario where we gap to the upside, take out the high, and then we dump, or we could just gap a little bit and go down. But looks like we're going to have a dumpy week. Okay, NASDAQ. Let's check the 3-day chart. Okay, 3-day chart on the RSI is broken. RSI is broken, means momentum rolling over. Okay, price is rolling over. We could hit the high one more time yet. fine, but it looks like we got a 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like we got a 5. That could be about finished. Okay. And you can see it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or this is 5 of the third. This is like wave 3. And you got a 1. Oh, come on, Jim. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's wave 3. Now, wave 4 could be a triangle. That could take a while. Years to develop. And then hit the high and then down. So watch out for that. We might be in this range for years. While the dollar is dying. We might be in the death throes. This may not happen overnight. We may get our first dumpola here. And then a correction back up. I wouldn't be surprised to see that. To see a triangle form here. Wouldn't be surprised to see that because we are in the final stages of a big bull move. So yeah, this might play around for a while in some distribution. It might take a couple of years to distribute all the position, all the money. So we might be in a big wave 4. We might be beginning it soon. Some kind of triangle or complex wave. So NASDAQ, S&P, both looking a bit bearish. Let's look at silver and gold for a moment. Silver is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Looking to try to break out over the next couple of weeks maybe. It got up to $29. Right now it's sitting at $28. That's gorgeous. I think this is getting ready to rock. Of course, I've been saying that for a while. We got come on. We got a nice 1-2 on our hands. 1 and a 2. Boom. 1, 2. Let's go. The invalidation. I get more bearish if we start going down and break this trend line right here. See that trend line right there? If it breaks, I get more bearish in the immediate time, not bullish. That's silver. Let's look at gold. Gold just kind of hitting some all-time highs. Would not be surprised to see a correction over the next couple of weeks and then continuation. Correction, continuation. I'm looking bullishly, very bullishly at the chart right now. The weekly chart on gold. I'm seeing this. I wish I had more data here, but I'm seeing this as a 1-2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's go. Let's go to the moon. Yes, I am a moon boy on gold. I am a moon boy on silver. All right, let's see what your requests are. Nexa. Okay, got it, Salvador. Nexa it is. Somebody asked me for farm earlier. Nexa. I'm assuming this is the New York Stock Exchange Nexa. Let me know. That's what I'm on right now. The daily chart. It's looking kind of bullish, brother. We got a break of structure to the upside. We got what looks to be a finished correction. A, B, C. Looks done. I would be bullish on Nexa. I don't know what it is, but it looks bullish. I get more bearish Oh, you want crypto. Okay. Well, hey guys, Nexa resources here on the NASDAQ looks bullish as crap. So, yeah, I get more bearish if that breaks to the downside right there, but that looks like a bullish play. So, but that looks bullish as crap, guys. Looks really good. Buy that sucker. All right, Nexa crypto. Guys, y'all need to make it clear. Give me the full chart name. USDT, whatever. All right? If you just say some name, then I don't know. So I need to know the name of it plus what you want it against. USDT, USD, whatever, okay? Let's be clear. I mean, it just looks like a crap coin. It just looks like it's in the crap coin phase. Where's zero? So if it's not going to die, I mean, to be honest with you, this looks like it's going to roll over and come down here, find support before above zero, and then come back up like all the crap coins do. Play around, then come up and do it again. That looks like a wave 4. Looks like we're in the middle of wave 5. You guys didn't know you were getting a stock call, did you? Yeah, I would say this low is going to be taken out. I mean, that's what it looks like to me. This low on Nexa is going to be taken out. Yeah, buy the Nexa stock on the stock exchange. Stay away from crypto Nexa. Yeah, draw this trend line here. You get a break of that to the upside. You got a little bit of a, a bullish sentiment, right? So, all right. Somebody asked for farm earlier. Let's look at Link real quick. Link. Link looks trashy as crap. What if that's an ABC right there? If that's an ABC, there's your B wave. Boom, boom, boom. I mean, this is coming down. This is coming down impulsively. Now we got hidden bullish divergence on the daily chart right now on Link. We got hidden bull. Let's look at the wave structure. There's hidden bear on the smaller time frame on the 1 hour. What is this trashy wave? I don't like it. What is that thing? Boom. Boom. What is this? Yeah, this little pop right there, it doesn't make any sense. Well, if that's a leading diag, I don't like it, but I'm just thinking out of the box here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The only problem is I don't have 3 waves here, but what if that's a leading diag? I do not like that. I don't like this wave structure at all. This wave structure sucks. It's the same in Bitcoin. It sucks. It means I don't understand it. What I would like to see, ideally, is maybe this. A, B, C. And you get some kind of W. That's X. We get a Y. So what would that be? Boom. 1, 2. Link, guys, chain link. Kind of hard. I'm working on the wave structure here, guys, and it's just not. We took that low out. It just doesn't look finished. Looks like it's going to correct and come down again. But there's a lot of hidden bull, guys, on the 8 hour, on the 12 hour, on the daily. Major hidden bull. That means it needs either a correction to the upside and more downside, or we're getting ready to go up for another big wave. So the really good scenario is that this is 3 waves and we're going up. And this is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then boom. The bad scenario is that this was a flat A, B, C. Okay? That's a flat. And now we're going to get a pullback and continuation or some kind of 3 wave and then down. All right, there's Link. Let's see what else you got. All right, we did Link. We did Nexa. Let's do VRA USDT. What in the world? Now that looks that one, that's interesting. That chart right there. Because there's a chance that's really bullish. There's a chance. And this is what I mean. So you're saying there's a chance. Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Exactly, Seth. There's lots of bullish divergence there. So that means a correction's coming. So this could, this could come down and then go. If that's A, B, C right there. That's your bullish scenario for veracity, excuse me. Veracity. That's your bullish scenario right there, buddy. Otherwise, you got 3, 3, 3, and it's done. This is correcting down. Maybe there's a pullback. Maybe, who knows. The bullish scenarios, we're going up. We're getting ready to go. There might be a little bit more downside. But yeah, that would be a 3-wave move, and then we go up. I don't know anything about veracity. But that would be your bullish scenario. Bearish scenario, I mean, keeps going down as long as Bitcoin goes down. With pullbacks. But zero is not that far off of veracity. So I don't even know if veracity is a good project or not. See what XRP is doing here. I suppose you get a little bit more bullish if this breaks to the upside, especially if it breaks to the upside, pulls back in 3 and continues. You're going to feel like this right here. See how that broke to the upside, pulled back and continued? I mean, you get more bullish then for a wave. But so if you get something like that, then you're more bullish on veracity. But if that project is dead, then that's going down and it's going to die. I don't know anything about the project. Other than it looks like it's in the process of dumping and pumping, dumping and pumping. Okay, looking at H bar now. Dang. Look at H bar. H bar is bearish, guys. Super bearish. It's broken the structure. It's got an ABC on the chart, or a WXY, but it looks like an ABC. A, B, C. In which case you got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There's some hidden bull on this chart. Some hidden bull, not a ton, but it's there. Maybe this comes back down. Maybe this comes back up and continues, and that's just 3 waves. Zero is right here. So if this is gonna hang on, the bullish count. Here's the bullish count. This is what's really good. If that flat is wrong and this is 5 waves, then we got a 3-wave pullback. Boom, boom, boom. Looks like we need to roll over. Hit it again one more time, but yeah. So we've already hit the 618, looking for a little bit of a bounce. We're getting one. Wouldn't mind seeing this roll over and coming down to the 786. And then go. Let's go bull. Let's go bull. But I don't think that's the case, man. Because we got this thing. 3, 3. This could be 3. Four-hour. Looks like it's kind of a correction, but maybe not. I guess you got a bullish setup here on the 4-hour. Yeah, if this rolls over and comes back down and retests 50% of that wick, let's go long, right? All right, I'm getting tired, guys. About to drop out right now. One, two, 1, 2. I don't know about a 1, 2, 1, 2. Maybe to the downside. All right, let's see what we got going. ID USDT. Oh, let's do RKLB first, and then we'll do ID. Oh, is RKLB a? Oh, it's a Rocket Labs. Okay, cool. It's a stock. If it does what the last time it did, this looks bullish, man. If it might pop to the upside here, I don't know. I don't know why it popped, but man, you see that sucker? And we're kind of doing the same thing here. Boom. That would be all right. Yeah, there's no Elliott here. Just looking at this though, that this could be bullish. I don't know why this spiked, if there was a reason for that spike. Oh, XRP Den. Maybe this, maybe that crap. You tell us exactly what's going to happen. Tell us without any equivocation All I'm doing is analyzing wave structure, man, and I'm giving you some wave structure ideas. But let's hear yours. Exactly. Let's tell us exactly what everything's gonna do. Please. Let's hear it. Come on, man. And then let's put you to the test. I'm here to analyze wave structure and give you some wave structure ideas and tell you what I think it looks like. Anyway, guys, this looks bullish to me. Yeah. Ignorant people jumping in my live stream that have no clue about trading. No clue about wave structure analysis at all. And ignorant comments, man. Go somewhere else, dude. I'm not in the mood for it. So, ordinarily, I would say this looks bearish, okay? Whoever asked for RKLB. This, ordinarily, I would say, hey, this looks bearish. Look, we got a three-wave shape here. Down is the direction, okay? But looking at this previous wave there, you know, it had a similar move. So I don't know if this thing could do it again. I don't know if it could do it again. If this is going to be like a big crap coin. So what is Rocket Lab USA? What are they doing? They just upstart company in 2021. What are they about? I don't know. But we're only sitting at $3, so this has the potential of going up from here. So what I would do is I would watch price here. There's no wave structure here for me. Not a whole lot of price action to base it on. But looks like its pattern is to kind of shoot down to the low, pop up. Shoot down to the low, pop up. You could get a big one. So it looks fairly bullish. I'm waiting, man. I'm waiting on your what's the chart gonna do, XRP Den? I'm waiting to hear your ideas, man. Come on, everybody wants to know because you know what the market's gonna do. Everybody's waiting. We are waiting on an eggshell. We're sitting on the edge of our seats waiting for your knowledge so we can take the trade. Just tell me what to do. Do I go long? Do I go short? Tell me what to do. Tell me what to push my button. Come on, man. All right. What's the next one here on my list? Oh, man. I wanted to spend a little bit more time just making him feel bad. Let's see. What's the next one on the list, guys? ID. Oh, we got FTM as well. Let me get ID first. Woo! What is ID doing? Man, look at the hidden bull in that chart. Okay, I don't know anything about ID. But that has that kind of bullish look to it. Yeah, Tommy, I'm not sure what the Rocket Labs, but it looks kind of bearish, like it could go a little lower, but its pattern is to pop. So there might be a little long in there for you. It's at a good buy zone. See what happens, man. See, XRP is doing a small time frame here. All right, IDUSDT. Man, I tell you, that doesn't look like a great three-wave move. But there's a trade here, man. We might get a bounce here. There's a bounce here. Unless it rolls over and goes deeper. But 0 ain't that far off. You kind of think it kind of feels like it needs to hold here in this zone and go on up. So what? To go into 0 first and then, or is it die? Just going to die. There's hidden bull on this chart, no doubt about it. We haven't had a break of structure yet to the upside, but it looks like it's imminent. So I don't know. I look at ID and I'm kind of like, that kind of looks like it's going to be bullish. But let's see if you get a break to the upside here. I just don't like this wave shape, but it looks decently bullish here. Yeah. All right, that's the best I got for ID right now. All right, FTM I think was the next one. Is that USDT? Yeah, okay. Yeah, man. I mean, this correction doesn't look finished. Does that look finished to you guys? Does that look finished to you? I don't think so, man. It looks like it needs more down on the daily. What is this trash on? See, this kind of resembles a flat here. So you could be getting some kind of something like this and then down. That's not a bad idea where it comes down a little bit, go up and then more down. Down to the trend line, finish it out. What else could it be? The real bullish count is 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's go. Let's start moving up. Let's go up big. And you already got 3 waves. You're done. Let's go. There's your bullish count. I kind of wonder, here's my thoughts here, guys. I wonder if, I mean, man, this looks so much like it needs to go down again. But the wave structure is so cryptic. It's weird. It's really weird. Kind of gives the impression of a 1, 2, 1, 2. In which case, that's very bullish. Very bullish. I'm not a big fan of the 1, 2, 1, 2, though, to be honest with you. So I don't know how to read it, man. Small time frame is eluding me. But FTM's got that three-wave look. Let's look at the daily chart on FTM, see what it's doing. See, dang. I can totally see this move. On FTM. I can totally see this finish. Come on up. It might be done already, but maybe not. But I can see that play. I can see that wave structure. It might have a little bit more down to go, then up like this right here. But I could see this. So maybe. Do we roll over and go hit the low? Then work our way up? Maybe. That's kind of what Bitcoin looks like it needs to do on the bullish scenario. If it's bullish, that's the way it looks. All right, guys, there it is. What have I missed? Past two crashes were in election years. Really? Well, there you go. Atlas USDT. Let's check it out. I can't read that chart, buddy. Nothing on Atlas to read there. Sorry. Yeah, there's nothing there for me. If I were to guess, it would be this. And then that. What's Republican presidents? Oh, yeah. Sorry, Chemo. I didn't go over the bond yields. Yeah, let's look at those next. I can't help you on Atlas, so sorry. U.S. 10-year. Here we go. 10-year bonds. Brother, you know what that looks like, don't you? You know what that looks like. A, B, C. A, B, C. 1, 2, maybe 3, 4, 5, and then down on the monthly chart. So we might be getting, we might be in a wave 4 here. 1, 2, we're going to say 3 right here, 4, 5. Now this could be a wave 4 right there, but I'm suspecting that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the third. And now we're getting 4. And then we get 5. All right, so here's a 10-year. What was the other yield? 20-year. Okay. Why doesn't the 20-year have any data? Oh, 02. Ooh, look at that chart. Isn't that pretty? What a pretty chart. Wow. That's super pretty. I like it. That's a pretty chart. I like the way it moves. I'm going down, 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 down for the last... But we've been having... What is that doing? This kind of looks like a running flat wave 4. Oh, well, you could have like a 1, 2 here, 3, 4, and 5 is finished. And now you got a 1 or an A, B, or a 1, 2 looking for C. Or 3, 4, 5. Some larger correction here. Yeah, so let's see if this thing, let's see what happens here. Do we break down here? Or we start pumping up the jams? Hard to say. That looks like a 5-wave move. We got a wave 4. Okay, the other possibility is that this was a wave 4, and now we're in the middle of a wave 5. We need to come up, get divergence, and go down. Boom, boom. Let's go down. All right, there are the bonds. Okay, what am I missing? Did I get all the charts? 36 of you watching. Good to have you. Thanks for being around. I hope you enjoyed the live stream. Did I get all the requests? Wow. Oh, MDR USDT. Let's look at it. Why don't I see MDR USDT? I'm not seeing MDR. So check your chart name. Let's look at render. Oh, it's RN. Okay, my eyes are so bad. Sorry. Yeah, I mean it's there's hidden bull all over that chart right now. Hidden bullish divergence. If this continues to go up and break that structure there, that gets bullish right there, right? But if this trend line holds and we bounce here and go down for another wave, I mean, that's bearish, right? Got a couple of wicks here, but the bottom didn't hold. If you get a move down here, half the wick, and it rejects back up, that might be a long. Came down, found support. What's it going to do? Break to the upside? If it does, we get bullish, right? Comes back down and breaks to the upside, we get bullish. Otherwise, breaks the low. That's scary bearish. We'll see what it does. It looks like the market is either going to bounce here, guys. I think the market, this could be really good or really bad, right? This could roll over, come down, and then bounce. It could bounce with Bitcoin. It just depends on if Bitcoin's going to bounce or not. And that's the big question. Is it going to bounce or not? I don't have the answer to that. Wave structure isn't clear. I don't like the shape here. It doesn't give me a clear three-wave shape. Doesn't look done to me. I think it's got another low to go. But I could also see this thing pull back and keep going. Kind of looks like it needs another low, but doesn't have to get one. Got two reversal wicks here. I just don't know if it's going to get taken out or not. Remember that wave structure right now is pretty trashy. Pretty trashy. Nice little reversal move here from XRP. See what happens here. Came back down to this little area, kind of popped up. Let's see what happens. It's Does it roll over and keep going, or does it break back up to the upside? What's Bitcoin doing small time frame? Kind of bearish. But trying to find some support here. Got kind of a 1-2-1-2 looking, doesn't it? Got kind of a 1-2-1-2 working. That's really bullish, okay? So if that's a 1-2-1-2 on the small time frame, that gets real bullish. So that's your bullish look. If this is some kind of triangle, then we're kind of bear. I mean, we could still go up and do that and then go down. Kind of bearish. Could this be a fake break of XRP? One of those fake moves to the downside, and that just wicks up and just goes big time up. How'd you like that, guys? If it did one of those things. What if XRP was a flat right here? It goes fast to the upside and then it comes down again. That would be nasty. Nasty. It's possible. All right, guys, I'm going to call it a night. I'm pretty tired. All right, guys, the chart's either really bullish or it's pretty bearish. It's hard to tell. Wave structure is in the balance right now. So let's see how the markets play tomorrow. We got Iran news and with Israel. What's going on. That could be pretty bearish for the markets. So, guys, let's be safe in this environment. Be safe. All right, y'all have a good one. We'll talk at you later. Thanks, Chemo. Good to see you, Keith. And Squeaks of you, Squeaks U of A. Good to see you. Take it easy. Bye.